Getting back to more of a typical rainy season pattern, wouldn't you say? Here's Storm Patrol Viper using the power of 4 to show us these showers and thunderstorms that developed very close to the coast, moving in this general direction, moving out toward the Gulf, maybe a little bit of a northerly drift here. I'll show you a future scan here in just a minute, but let's take a close look at this rain. Obviously, the shower is going to persist for at least the next hour or two. After about 10 o'clock, we think the majority of the heavy rain should be done. And in the Cape, we're seeing an improving weather trend. Here's Central Cape Coral. You see Pine Island Road. There's Burnt Store Road. That's a shower that's moving out toward Matlacha and Pine Island, and that one has had a little bit of thunder and lightning in it, but looks like that thunder and lightning is diminishing somewhat. Here's that rain that's moving out toward Pine Island right now. Let's take a look at that lightning data just to go ahead and recheck how many lightning strikes we've seen here in the last couple of minutes. One's flashing, those ones happening in the last 5 minutes. So north of the Caloosahatchee and even down here close to Sanibel, some lightning strikes over the last few minutes. So active thunderstorms for at least the next 45 minutes here. Back on Storm Patrol Viper, we'll show you that heavy rain moving out toward Pine Island, Matlacha, Captiva. Here's some real heavy rain. Punta Gorda, it's growing a little farther northward as we anticipated. Port Charlotte seeing some of that rain, and there's some lightning in that one too, especially in Charlotte Harbor. Rotunda looks like you're going to be getting wetter here in the next 10 to 15 minutes or so. Collier County, no thunder and lightning with that cell now, but you had some thunder and lightning earlier. Going to do a future scan right now. This is the way the radar looks right now at about 6:15. In the next hour or so, these showers should move in this general direction towards Charlotte Harbor, Venice getting some of that rain, as well as Englewood. Still going to see some of that rain persisting in Collier County close to the coast, although we don't expect any thunder and lightning there. Between now and 10 o'clock, going to see those diminishing showers and thunderstorms, partly cloudy by midnight. Then by 5 a.m., we're going to be at 76 degrees, and we're going to be very muggy. Wet today, believe it or not. Maybe getting wetter later this week as we're still tracking what's left of Dorian. And as you can see by that graphic, Thursday looks to be kind of wet. Here's meteorologist Michelle Cunningham with more.
That's right. We're still talking about the remnants of Tropical Storm Dorian, and even though we don't think it has a very good chance of regenerating, what we do know is that there's a lot of convection or showers and thunderstorms associated with this storm, and it is moving toward the west-northwest. So it does look like we are going to be picking up on some of that activity. Here is Dorian right now, so we're continuing to watch it. And again, it's looking pretty good tonight, although it's going to get into an area where regeneration, there's going to be some wind shear, and it's just not conducive for it to strengthen. So we're looking at it this morning. If you were watching, there was about a 40% chance from the National Hurricane Center for regeneration. It's dropped down to about 30%. So most of that convection, most of the showers and thunderstorms are going to stay well to the north of Puerto Rico. They are not going to bear the brunt of it, but between now and Wednesday, it looks like the Turks and Caicos and then portions of the Bahamas are going to be feeling Dorian's effects. And then we think that it should just become an open tropical wave, and that's when it's going to be moving a little bit closer to southwest Florida. And Thursday, Friday, looking to be wet because of all of the tropical moisture. Today was our typical rainy season type of day where we had an easterly flow, that sea breeze kicked up, and we really saw those showers and thunderstorms developing. That's going to be the case again tomorrow, as this pattern is pretty firmly in place. So you look tomorrow afternoon, you start to see them develop, and they move closer toward the coastal areas, die out in the evening. That's Tuesday. We'll take you into Wednesday. Wednesday, the models are indicating that's a little bit drier, but then on Thursday, that's when we're starting to see some of the effects of Dorian. So we'll continue to watch, as it does look like Thursday now going to be the wetter of the weekdays across southwest Florida. So we'll continue to watch that. As far as our inland communities go, well, you're going to see those showers and thunderstorms develop first tomorrow, and then they will build back toward the coastal communities. Oh, going to be another hot day with temperatures in the lower 90s. You factor in all this humidity, and we had heat index or the feels like temperature in some of our coastal locations today. It felt like 110 degrees across southwest Florida. For the boaters tomorrow, looking good. Look at that Gulf of Mexico temperature, 88 degrees, and some of the readings are indicating that in some places it's 90 degrees out there. And we're going to get numerous showers and thunderstorms on Thursday, so we're really going to see an uptick in moisture because of the remnants of Tropical Storm Dorian. So sick of talking about Dorian.
Yeah, but I got to tell you,